Acoustic imaging pinpoints partial discharge with accuracy. Infrared imaging instantly detects temperature anomalies. FA Series is an all-in-one device for all inspection needs, from power grids to manufacturing and petrochemical industry. It delivers efficient maintenance and ensures production safety. 128 high-precision MEMS microphones. Captures ultrasonic signals with ultra-sensitivity. Locates subtle partial discharge over long distances and covers wide areas effortlessly. 10.1-inch touchscreen. User-friendly interface streamlines parameter adjustments and function selection, enhanced by audio and sound pressure threshold controls for precision. Partial discharge mode identifies discharge type and severity to preempt equipment risks. Leak detection mode identifies compressed air, hazardous gas, or vacuum leaks. Detects and measures leakage loss to reduce costs.